gifted and talented class. We have an exceptional talent or natural ability.
Use our minds not to insult our knowledge to others, but to help people who need help. We use our talent to prove that nothing is impossible.
Everyone has a talent and we need to treasure it the most. We have a heart to help people and to warn them up from their own mistakes. We used to give love and support each other. We have an ability that we can be proud of it.
GD's intellectual, creative, artistic, leadership capacity, or in specific academic fields, and who needs services. We are gifted, and that means we learn very quickly. We demonstrate outstanding levels of aptitude.
GD class have separate building from regular class. We also have one section per level. Limit numbers of students is 20 to 25 students per class. The teachers are more focused on us because there is less pupils.